Welcome to the healing boat exercise. This exercise will take 3 to 5 minutes. To begin, please come sitting with your legs crossed either on the ground or in a chair, whatever's more comfortable for you. If it's comfortable, close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees or in your lap. Now, I'd love for you to envision a boat on the water, lightly swaying back and forth in front of you. It's a small boat with a cable cord connected to it. You look at the boat, just admiring it. And now I want you to place all of your negative, disempowering, self-limiting beliefs into that boat. You can make the action, do the action with your hands like you're tossing them into the boat, one by one, tossing them into the boat. If you'd rather place them into the boat, place them into the boat. However, it feels appealing for you to get these beliefs into the boat. That's the most important part. Whatever your beliefs are, I'm not worthy, I'm not capable, I'm not good enough, I'm not lovable, I'm not attractive. Whatever they are for you. I don't have enough experience. I'm not skilled. I'm not smart enough. Toss them all in, these disempowering beliefs, and do the motion and make this feel real. Visually see this, see the boat, see this happening. Once you are certain that you have tossed all of your negative beliefs in the boat, I'd love for you to visualize the boat starting to move away from you. The cord, the cable cord that's attached to the boat is pulling the boat further and further away from you. And with it, all of the limiting beliefs are going. You see the boat moving further and further in the distance. Your beliefs going with it. The boat is becoming smaller as it moves into the distance. Eventually, the boat is a small speck in the distance that you can barely see. And then it's gone. As the boat disappears from your view and you no longer see it in the water, what you see is the sun beginning to rise in the sky. And it's a big, beautiful sun. It's bright, it's yellow, it's orange, and it's rising very slowly, but at the same time quickly. It's rising in front of you. You start to feel the warmth of the sun on your face as it rises. It feels so nice, so warm, so welcoming, so inviting. You begin to smile knowing that this is a new day, a new time where your negative beliefs are not sitting with you. They're not sitting heavy on you. They're no longer with you. They no longer exist to you. It's time for a bright, fresh start, and you're here for it.